afternoon to all of you. So today we have a new problem which is number of laser beams in a bank. Lead code 2125 problem. So let's read the problem statement. So anti-theft security devices are activated inside a bank. You are given a zero in text binary string. Binary string means there will be zero, either zero or one. Okay. So array bank representing a floor plan on the bank, which is an M-Croft 2D matrix. Bank of I represent the ith row consisting of zeros and ones. Zero means the cell is empty. Zero means the cell is empty, and ones means there is a laser beam. Okay, laser device we can say. Laser beam, it will produce the laser beam. There will be laser device. Zero means that place is empty, and one means there will be a laser device that will produce a laser beam. So there is one laser beam between any two security devices if both conditions are met. Yeah, these are the conditions as you can see for each row I, where R1 is less than I is less than R2. R1 and R2 are different rows. Okay, it can be like there is a this row is empty, so this row will produce the laser beam and this row will produce a laser beam because there are laser devices. And you can see there are two laser devices, and these are producing the laser beam. So these two laser devices are producing the laser beam, like these two laser devices are producing the laser beam, then these two laser devices are producing the laser beam. So two devices can produce laser beam. If there, as you can see, this row is empty, so there is no laser devices, so it can't be produced a laser beam. So let's see the example. So zero means, as I told you that zero means that place is empty, and one means there will be a laser device. So here 0 1 1 0, then laser device, then laser device, then 0 0, then laser device. The In this row, there are three laser devices, and second row is empty, and this third row there are two laser devices. If we connect it, means it's like a permutation and combination, and this laser device can connect with this laser device and this laser device, and this laser device can connect with this laser device, then this laser device. So one laser device can connect with two laser devices, because in down row there are two laser devices, so it can connect with either this or both of them. So it can connect with this and this, and it can connect with this and this. So जो फर्स्ट रो में लेजर डिवाइसेस है, उसको वो लेजर बीम प्रोड्यूस करेंगी, और ये किससे कनेक्ट होंगी? थर्ड रो वाली लेजर डिवाइस से। फिर थर्ड रो में जो लेजर डिवाइस है वो कनेक्ट होंगी फोर्थ रो वाली लेजर डिवाइस से. सो हाउ मेनी लेजर लाइट्स आर देयर? वन, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So it is producing 8 laser devices. So how we will find the laser devices? The approach is, as you can see, there are three buns in this binary string. There are three buns. There are three laser devices means. Three laser devices are here. Two laser devices are here. So how many combinations are it can produce? 3 into 2, 6 combinations they can produce. Okay, 6 combinations plus this combination. How many laser devices are there? Two. How many laser devices are there? One. So 2 into 1, 2. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8. 8 will be our answer. So 8 can will be our answer. So let's see the approach for this solution. For the approach is like we will uh, we will do a one thing: current count and previous count. We will store current count and the previous count. How we can store? If I am at this row and I will check how many ones are there. As you can see, two ones are there. So these are the current count, and this is the previous count. How many previous in previous count? How many ones are there? Three ones are there. So previous equals to 3, current equals to 2, 3 into 2 equals to 6, and I will add this in answer. So initially answer will be 0. So answer plus equals to previous into count, current count. And now my previous count will be the current count, and I will go to the next row. So it will be like this. Let's take an example. So if this example is important, if there is no in first is row there is no any device. Okay, in second row there are many three devices. In third row, there are no any devices. In fourth row, there are two devices. So 3 into 2 will be our answer because number of ones is 2, number of ones is 3. So 3 into 2 will be our answer. It means 6 will be our answer. So let's take an example. Lead code first example. This was the example. So what I will do, firstly, I will take a string. In this array, I will take a string. I am taking this string and I will count the number of ones. Here you can see the number of ones is 3. Okay, 3 is my number of ones. Now you can see count is not equal to 0. Here the count is 3, count is not equal to 0. Okay, done. Then I will add answer plus equals to previous count into current count. Previous count, initially the previous count was 0. So 0 into current count is 3. So 0 into 3 will be 0. So answer equals to 0. Now my previous equals to current. This step is important. Previous count will be now my previous count will be a current count. So previous equals to count. So count is 3. So previous equals to 3. Here previous will be 3. Okay. I have not written, but here previous equals to 3. Okay. Now I'll take second string. In second string, number of ones equals to 0, so count equals to 0. So it will not satisfy this condition. So I will skip this condition. Okay. Now here the count equals to 2. So number of 1 is coming 2 times. So count equals to 2. So I will add answer plus equals to answer plus k. K means previous into count. So initially answer was 0. Here answer was 0. So 0 into previous into count. Previous was current. Previous was this count. So this will be 3. Previous equals to 3. 3 into current count. Current count was 2. So 3 into 2 will be our answer. Answer equals to 6. And previous equals to count. Previous equals to 2. And same for this 6 plus 2 into 1. 8 will be our answer. So the algo is I will apply a loop. I will traverse the whole string. I will take a string. I will traverse the whole array actually, and I will take a string. If I am taking this string, I will count the number of ones. If the number count is not equal to 0, here you can see I am counting the number of characters which is 1 and a count plus plus. If my count is not equal to 0, then what I will do, I will add this previous into current count, previous count into current count in my answer, and I will make previous equals to current count, and finally I will return answer. So let's do the code so that we can understand properly. So firstly, what I will do, I will take two counts int previous equals to 0 and int answer equals to 0. This will be my final answer which I will return. And now I will traverse the bank array of vector we can say. So string s belongs to bank. Okay. Now in this string, I am taking the first string. So I will initialize the int count equals to 0. Okay, here the count equals to 0. And now I will initialize the count equals to 0 and I will apply another loop for I am taking the this if this will be my array, like I am taking this example. If this will be my array, I will take this string, first string. So how I will take this? I will take like string, though this will be like char ch belongs to s, this string. Okay, and now what I will do, I will add the counts. I will check the number of ones, how many number of ones are coming. So if character इक्वल्स टू वन, अगर मेरा कैरेक्टर वन होता है, वन मीन्स इफ स्ट्रिंग सो वन, then I will increase our count. Okay, so I have increased our count. Now I will check if count is not equal to 0. If my count is not equal to 0, if my count is equal to 0, then I will skip that condition. If my count is not equal to 0, then what I will do is I will add the answer plus equals to previous count into current count, and now previous will be my current count. Okay, and finally what I will do, I will return our answer. So let's return the answer. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. So as you can see, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. So it is working perfect. 209 days straight completed. So now let's discuss about the time and space complexity for this solution. So as you can see, I am not taking the any extra space. I am only using the in previous and in answer. These are variables. So I am only using the variables. I am not using any external space. So my space complexity will be big of 1. So now let's discuss about time complexity. For time complexity will be big O of m into n. M into n is number of rows into number of columns. So m into n will be the time complexity because we are traversing the whole array, sorry. And in array, I am taking the string, then I am checking the number of counts, number of ones, and I will increase our count. Then again I will check, then again I will check. So big of n into m into n will be very time complexity. So this was the complete solution. So if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe, and we will meet in next video. Bye.